The M series seems to have done really well for Samsung's mid-range. Samsung's kind of up their game here, better hardware, better software support, the One UI update and all that. Now the M40 is supposed to be coming soon. We've been hearing a lot about it, and I've also gotten some confirmations on certain specs from some of my sources inside Samsung. So in today's video, let's take a look at all of that. And if you do end up liking what you see here, please consider turning on notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos like this one. Hey guys, Ash here, you're watching C4 Tech. So if you guys haven't already seen the trailer, it looks like the M40 is going to be the first Samsung budget phone in India with a punch-hole display. Now, leaks point towards a 6.3-inch Full HD Infinity O panel, but as we all know, AMOLED can be expensive, especially while missioning one with a hole in one corner. So some leaks indicate to Samsung returning to LCD panels for the M40, as with the other non-flagship Samsung phone with a punch-hole display, the A60. Now this might be a step back from the M30, but it will also mean a higher screen-to-body ratio, and the Infinity O should look cool. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like the Infinity O panel here? What are your thoughts? Comments, let me know. Now, as far as the internals go, Samsung has already confirmed on their Amazon page that we will see a Snapdragon 6 series processor inside. Now, recent leaks seem to point towards the Snapdragon 675 SoC, and that kind of logically makes sense too. It would be a welcome change, as the 675 is a much more powerful chip compared to the Exynos 7904 that we've been seeing on the Galaxy M20 and the M30. As far as software goes, given the other M series phones have gotten Android Pie and One UI, we can expect the M40 to come with both out of the box, so that should be sweet. Now, when it comes to the cameras, Samsung's already pretty much confirmed the presence of 3 rear cameras, and here's where my sources tell me the primary is gonna be a 32 megapixel sensor. They also told me the entire screen's gonna double as a speaker, so hey, more screen to body. Now these, along with the Infinity O display and the presence of the 675 inside, leads me to believe the M40 might actually be very similar to the A60. So we might see a 32 megapixel f1.7 primary, 8 megapixel ultra-wide secondary and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Now if that sounds very familiar to you, that's because the A70 that we've already seen in India, that kind of has the same optical setup, and the samples you're seeing are right out of the A70, so that should give you an idea of what you could probably expect from the Galaxy M40. If this turns out to be true, it should be pretty good, because I would be pretty happy, because Samsung has been pricing the M series really well, and for that price, the A70's optics should be really good. Again, with that school of thought, we can anticipate 2 more pieces of information. Battery capacity, the A60 has a 3500 mAh battery. Now that would kind of make the M40 the lowest capacity battery toting M series phone. That said, it would still have Type-C and fast charging. Now One UI and Android Pie coupled with the highly efficient Snapdragon 675 should ensure that the battery life would still remain above average to good. And number 2, the A60, it doesn't have a headphone jack. I really hope this is one design choice that the M40 doesn't follow. Anyway, let's talk price. Going by track record, I expect the M40 to be priced between 18 to 20,000 rupees. The M30 came in at 15, so this is what I'd expect it to be priced. And at that price point for a Samsung phone, if Samsung can deliver on the optics and battery, then I think the M40 should continue the M series trend of being good value for money. Anyway, we should know more on the June 11th. That is the official reveal date. So what do you guys think about the M40? Are you excited? What else do you think Samsung should be doing? Let me know in the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of this video. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. Also down there is a link to my current K20 and K20 Pro giveaway. Check it out if you haven't yet. And with that, we're at the end of this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Tech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.